Go.
Jogging, 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 walk. Jogging, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. Jogging, 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 walk.
This first step of walking, jogging moves on to rhythmic realities when we find out that we can start making these into notational realities. Slowly but surely building up these understandings as we go. With those little seeds that we planted, they grow stems and songs. On the ones that go fast, get what? Flags, exactly. Little ponytails there waving in the breezes that go really fast. Flags. Would you say this next part in walking jogging language? Ready? Go.
Walk, 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 walk. Jogging, jogging,
Are you talking
jogging,
to?
walk.
2 fingers.
Jogging, walk, jogging, walk. Walk, 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 walk.
Well, every once in a while, an 8th note meets another 8th note, and he thinks that she is just the best thing in the entire world. And he says, oh my gosh, will you marry me? And then they have that music that goes, da 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 da. And then of course it says, you may
Kiss the bride.
kiss the bride, and that's what happens right there. Oh my gosh, can you still read it in walking jogging language? You know they got married. Okay, ready? Go.
Walk, 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 walk. Jogging, 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 walk. Jogging, walk, jogging, walk. Walk, walk, walk.
Oh, I need some more language. I mean that music. Da 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 da. You may
Kiss the bride.
ready and read it with do and due date. Ready? Go.
Do, 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 do. Do-day, 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 do. Do-day, do. Do-day, do. Do, 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 do. I know what that song is.
Wow, I'm glad you figured out it was a song. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? I know I can gather some names from things that I already know when I gather money into 4 pieces. I don't have a dollar anymore, but I have quarters. And so I'm not talking about quarter dollars, I'm talking about quarter notes. Exactly, quarter notes. And when I have 8 of them, I'm not talking about quarters anymore, I'm talking about eighths. And these are how many eighths? 2 eighths. And then down here, if I only use 1, it's not a quarter, it's 1/8. So I can do a little math with that reality as well. Will you cruise back to your spot, and will you put some stems and flags and beams on all of your dots? Then come back to the center again. Do you think you could sing it, Max? Nice. Can everyone sing it in? Here you go. Do it again. Thank you. Oliver, Brendan, thank you.
So what's the use of trying? Touch your nose, touch your toes.
explore things, we take a look at form here by making first a copy. Read those numbers. I bet you know what the question mark should say. Ready and go.
2, 1, 1, 2. 2, 1, 1, 2.
You knew it because it was a what section?
A.
An A. Okay, good. Ready? Here you go.
2, 1, 1, 2. 2, 1, 1, 2.
Let's do it with. Oh, we'll grab another part in a minute. Hunting. Ready to go?
Hunting we will go. Hunting we will go. I hold an aerial. Hunting we will go.
No, we don't know what's going on.
Round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. All through the town. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, do not wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Bippity bumblebee, can you sing your name for me? Oliver Twist, you can't do this, so what's the use of trying? Touch your nose, touch your toes, jumping and bumping away we go. Hunting we will go, hunting we will go. I hold an aerial, hunting we will go.
Hunting we will go starts in A. Low voice. Okay, try again. Ready? Go.
Hunting we will go, hunting we will go. I hold an aerial, hunting we will go.
The order of the songs: medium start, talking, high start, talking, low start. So that element of vocal exploration and just listening to songs in that direction. He does it all the time and makes millions of dollars. One idea, do it again. 1, 2, ready, and go.
1, 2, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 1.
Better not say too many bad things, so write a song about me. Alright. Let's take a look at this one. Oh my gosh, I need a B soloist. Who could do the B section? We'll have everyone do the A section and somebody could do the B section. I'm looking for maybe somebody that was a little shy with their nick. Would you like to do the B section? No? Okay, alright. Alright. You're gonna do the B, everyone's gonna say the A. Get ready for a B idea. A, ready, here you go.
2, 1, 1, 1. 2, 1, 1, 1. 2, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 2, 2.
The B could have been anything, right? That idea of doing a new something with the elements that already existed gives it a B
I
section.
missed the B part.
Can somebody give me some numbers on one side and then all the adults are
1, 1, 3.
Oh, ones and twos. Try again.
1, 2, 1, 1.
Ready and go.
1, 2, 1, 1.
Oh, that was mostly kids. We're gonna try that again. Go ahead, Aiden.
1, 2, 1, 1.
1, 2, 1, 1.
Oh my gosh, they were listening, weren't they? Pretty good. Who else wants to do one? All right.
2, 2, 1, 1.
2, 2, 1, 1.
And if parents, you were thinking that was half and half, that's really awesome.
Half and half there.
1, 1, 2, 1.
1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 1, 1, 2.
1, 1, 1, 2.
So when you saw that assignment come home, you're probably like, I don't know what they're doing at all with this. Practicing form is what you're doing with it. So I hope you got a chance to look at it and go, I have no idea what he's doing. Oh, wait, what's the first one? Oh, we'll try again. We'll try again because I noticed it wasn't a match. job. Notice that high, the low, the middle, the going back and forth between speaking and singing, and nobody pounding out a melody on a piano either to cover it up.
Pizza, 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 hot, 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 pizza, hot, pizza, 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 hot, hot.
Nice reading. Hey, what would the form be here? This would be the what section?
A, B, A, B.
What strategy is that? Back and forth. That's how I wrote it. Yep, back and forth. Inside of them, I got a half strategy here, pizzas and hots, and then I got a back and forth internally here, hot pizza, I could go on forever and ever. Rhythm started with the idea of our names and how many sounds they made. Hey, which one works for Sam? 2 dots, right?
No.
Oh, really? Oh, clap it. Oh, I should have done that. Sam, oh, 1 dot, okay. Yeah, let's do it with 2 dots. Change his name into fitting for 2 dots. Ready, go. Sammy, I like that idea. That works. Which one for Lexi then? Everyone? 2. Will you do her name with 1? Ready, go. Yeah, do I even get the E part? No, try again. Yeah, I had to chop it right off for 1 dot. Which one for walk? How many vote for 1 dot? How many vote for 2 dots? Let's find out. Clap it. Ready, go. Oh, could you do it with 2 dots? Ready, go. Oh, maybe walking, you'd have to add it up, right? Or maybe walk. Walk. It sounds like quack, quack. How about jogging then? How many songs? 2. Will you do this on your feet? Walk, 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 walk. Jogging, walk, jogging, walk.
Jogging, walk, jogging, walk.
You could say a walk and jogging idea and we could do it.
Walk, 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 jogging. Walk, 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 jogging.
Anyone else? Grace, you want to try?
Jogging, walk, jogging, walk. Jogging, walk, jogging, walk. Walk, jogging, walk, jogging. Walk, jogging, walk, jogging.
Going through the elements of music allows everyone to be able to participate to the extent that they can. Maybe pitch elements or melodic elements are a little frightening. Maybe rhythm elements feel better. Kind of getting that idea of participating where you can. Walk and jogging for 2 feet. As I take a look at the beat, the other part of the beat, or the not the beat, is called the rhythm. Exactly. The beat's nice and steady. The rhythm is not. Ready and go. Oh, I love how one boy even said the word. That was so smart. Do it again. Ready and go. Now we clap the rhythm. Ready, go. Yeah, but not beat. Beat wouldn't work for the rhythm. Ready, go. Yeah, what can we use for rhythm language? Yeah. Do's and do days. Try it. Ready, go. Try again. Ready, go. Could we use walk and jogging for that? Ready, go.
Jogging, jogging, walk, walk.
Could we use apples and pears? Ready, go.
Apples, apples, pear, pear.
How about circles and squares? Ready, go.
Circle, circle, square, square.
Oh, try that again. Ready, go.
Circle, circle.
But we also related it to a lion and where it might be roaring. But more, we take a look at the number line, and we found out where the low numbers were and where the high numbers were. Can you play on number 1? Can you play on number 13? How about number 2? 3, 5, 7, 9, 13, 1, 5, 1, number is the low side? 1. That's a low number, isn't it? High. Low. High. High. Switch to the high side. How about low? Okay, now move over to the low side. Oh, how about the low side? Oh, jump to the low side. High. Those music teachers always messing with you. And slide down. And slide out twice. Oh, I noticed some people slid up and slid down. That's not what I asked for. I said slide up twice. Try again. Oh, that was more thinking. Slide down twice. Slide up and then slide down. Nice work. Thank you. Will you stand? Sing that in the walking jogging language. Ready? Go.
Jogging, 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 walk.
That's a great idea. Now, can you think, I'm going to use that idea, or can you think, nope, I have another idea in walking jogging? How many think they like that idea? And how many are like, nope, I got another one? Of course you do. There's an example of when I understand what the elements are, I'm not satisfied with somebody else's idea or a copy or you do it and I'll do it. I'm satisfied with what I can do for myself. 2 finger claps. And let's take a look actually at that sheet that's with your mom and dad. You know what? That walking jogging idea that you have in your brain right now, you get to say it out loud. Ready? Go.
Jogging, 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 walk.
Do it again. Ready? Go.
Jogging, 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 walk.
Thanks. Here's my idea. Walk, jogging, jogging, walk. Was that your idea too, Aiden? Oh my gosh. I was wondering where else would I copy that? Where else would I put that, everyone? Oh, the next A. Where else would I put it? The next A. Would I put it in B? No, I'm going to leave all of that blank. You have 60 seconds to put your walk and jogging in all of those A sections. Make nice dots. Thank you, nice work. And we can do compositions our own with those. And you got a chance to see those. But it gets a little hard to see those highs and lows without adding some lines to them. And so after we draw our dots, we can put lines through those notes to give us a little bit more information. And will you sing it in sol and mi language this time? Make a match. Thank you. Hey, I was wondering, before we go, could you sing it in C and A language? C, radio. Do it again. C, radio. We use F and C for the beat. Since there was arguing, why don't you all go into this one? We'll leave this one in. Go. Yep, go. There you go. I know it's hard, isn't it? It's an awesome instrument. Ready? Here we go. Oh, one person was ready. I heard one person after 4 beats was totally ready. We'll try their 4 beats again. Basically, stop for a second. Everyone's going to be away from this one. We had some fights about it. Can you Ready? And here they go. Nice job. We can then apply that to instruments as we go. And we can even take a chance to move that around. Basses, would you move your mouths to D and A? And everyone else, would you use F and D to play the same melody? Basses, ready, here you go. Now I didn't mention which F and D, right? And you notice the children that had greater understanding of it was only going to be a skip still. And then some children that just found an F and a D. Ready? And basses go. And just by mentioning that, you saw how many people fixed it. They were like, oh yeah, I'm going to follow a pattern. I'm going to think about what I had just done before. Instead of me racing over and going, nope, it's these ones, nope, it's these ones, nope, right here, nope, this. Nice job, you guys. Hey, what's soul, everyone? C, okay. And then what would me be then? A. Okay, we'll go back to C name. Ready? Here you go. Oh, I don't think you're going to be able to play this one. This one's going to be way too hard. Ready? Here you go. Ready? And here you go. Ready? And here we go. Let's see if I can find a harder one. Oh, this one's going to be really good. Oh, yeah, that one. Ready? Go. Wow. Can't get ya. Let me try this one. Ooh, second try with that one. Ready? Go. Third try with that one. Ready? Go. What strategy was that? Does anyone know? Tell me out loud.
Back and forth.
Yeah, we didn't go back and forth, did it? Oh, I heard it over there. It's the opposite, exactly. Do it again. Ready? You put your mouth down. Try again. Ready and go. Third time, go. Try this measure. Ready? Go. Try this one and ready and go. Ooh, try it again. There was another me. Ready? Go. Nice job. How about this one? This will be the last one for reading. How many souls are there? One. Oh, I bet somebody's going to add another one though. Oh, I heard the other soul. Did you hear it? Try again. I knew it. So, ready? Here you go. Oh, nice. Nice. Souls and me's are the official pitch names for those notes. And then we made those compositions as well. Since we're running out of time, we won't put it on the staff. But of course, choosing those notes and where they went. Mine says, so. Ready, here you go. So. Oh, what's this A section going to be? Try again. So, where do we go? Oh, and my B section is going to go like this, and you can read it.